Top 3 benefits of consolidated student loans. Lowered payments or payments based on income. With their loans consolidated, borrowers can enjoy payments that are more conducive to their budgets. Many students rack up tens of thousands of dollars in debt before they even finish their college programs. Once they finish or withdraw from school, these individuals face payments that will cost them hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each month on each loan. Rather than make high payments to lenders on each loan, borrowers can consolidate their loan amounts into one lump sum. With all of their loans consolidated, borrowers can then make one payment to their consolidator instead of multiple payments to different lenders each month. This benefit will help people who may forget to mail payments or get confused about what amount goes to each financier. Additionally, instead of the payments costing hundreds or thousands of dollars each month, borrowers could have their payment amounts lowered substantially each month by going through a consolidation. Their payments may be more affordable and much more conducive to their monthly budgets. Many consolidation companies now offer payment options that are based on a borrower's income rather than the total amount due. If a person only makes a modest income, that individual cannot often afford high payments that are typically expected of people who do not consolidate their loans. Rather, that person's monthly income will be configured into an equation that makes his or her payment much more affordable and more agreeable to that person's present standard of living. Lower interest rates. Because the government and financial companies want to regain as much principal as possible, these entities typically offer lower interest rates to people who consolidate their loans. When a person consolidates his or her loans, that individual may see former interest rates cancel and a new lower rate be assigned to the new consolidated amount. This lower interest rate means that the person will be able to pay more money on the principal and also pay off the consolidated amount sooner. Lower rates mean that people have lower payments each month as well. If people are leery about consolidating their loans, they may be convinced when they learn that they can lower their interest rates substantially through this process. Better credit rating. When people begin missing payments and defaulting on their loans, their credit scores often suffer significantly. With each missed payment or defaulted loan, their credit reports are noted accordingly, and they begin to damage their credit scores to the point that they cannot get new loans or secure new lines of credit. When they consolidated their loans, most people are granted revised credit reports. Their consolidator will remove the defaulted payments and late payment history from the borrower's records, and these individual credit scores will rise back to their original numbers. Having good credit despite a large amount of student loans outstanding remains a high priority for most people. They often need to get other lines of financing to buy homes, cars, and to provide for their families. Having their student loans consolidated can be a key way that people repair their credit reports that have been damaged by late or defaulted payments on their student loans. If consolidating their student loans is something that people are interested in and believe can help them manage their payments better, borrowers are encouraged to check out what companies are available and which ones seem to be well suited for their financial needs. Many consolidation companies exist today. Some people prefer to work with companies they have heard of and with which they are familiar. Others prefer to work with consolidating companies that are close to them or affiliated with their banks. Whatever company they choose, borrowers can look forward to rebuilding their credit futures and being able to make payments that do not hurt their monthly budgets. They can get control over their student loans and pay off the money they borrowed to complete their education. To consolidate your private student loans or apply for a new private student loan, please click on the link below this video. Thank you.